Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. This is my first vlog for ESC1. I'm gonna tell you guys about my dream and my ambition. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Raja Nasharuddin bin Raja Talib. I'm 20 years old. I live in Kuala Terengganu. I have a big family, which is I have 7 siblings, and I'm second last. I'm study at Universiti Malaysia Terengganu in Bachelor of Accounting. Okay, for my dream, I would like to travel around the world with my family because I like to see the different culture. And for my ambition, I would like to become an accountant because accountant engage a wide variety of activities beside preparing financial statement, recording business transaction, using information to track financial performance and tax strategy. Becoming an accountant will open a wide range career and job opportunities to me. There are many types of accountant covering a wide range of business world. One of the more commonly known accounting profession is the field of public accounting. A public accounting does independent work based on fee or as a member of large accounting firm. Some of the basic tasks of public accountant include auditing reports and records, certifying financial statements, traveling and formulating budgets policy. Besides public accountant, I also can be tax accountant, which is I have to prepare income tax returns for individual as well as businesses. And I also have to review financial records such as pure tax, return form, income statement, and documentation of expenditure. Okay, next, I also can be a private accountant, which is I have to record business activity and have to prepare periodic financial statements. Usually, the private accountant is employed by a business, and the governmental accountants performs the same function as a private accountant, but is employed by federal, state, or local governmental agency. Okay, the other reason why I choose to become an accountant is because I see many successful people in business begin their career as an accountant, and it's not surprised that most chief financial officer of large corporation have a background in accountant. And so I can see that an accountant is perfectly positioned to become a chief financial officer because they have best understanding of what drive business and profits in a company. Lastly, a lot of education is needed to become an accountant. At least you need a bachelor degree in accounting. It will take 4 years to graduate. That's all for me, and thank you for watching